Which of the following rights can be enforced under Article 32 of the Indian Constitution? A. Constitutional rights. B. Fundamental rights. C. Statutory rights. D. All of the above. Ans. B. Which one of the following rights was described by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as the heart and soul of the Constitution? A. Right to freedom of religion. B. Right to property. C. Right to equality. D. Right to constitutional remedies. Ans. D. Consider the following statements. Assertion A. Dr. Ambedkar had described Article 32 of the Constitution as the very soul of it. Reason R. Article 32 provides an effective remedy against the violation of fundamental rights. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. Code A and R both are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. B, A and R both are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. C, A is true, but R is false. D, A is false, but R is true. Ans. A. Under which of the following article of the Constitution of India, the Supreme Court is empowered to issue different writs for the enforcement of fundamental rights of the citizens? A. Article 32. B. Article 33. C. Article 132. D. Article 226. Ans. A. Which one of the following writs is regarded as the greatest safeguard for the liberty of a person? A. Mandamus. B. Habeas corpus. C. Certiorari. D. Prohibition. Ans. B. Which one of the following writs can be issued by a high court to secure the liberty of the individual? A. Mandamus. B. Quo warranto. C. Habeas corpus. D. Prohibition. Ans. C. The writ which may be filed for protection of right to personal freedom is A. Mandamus. B. Quo warranto. C. Habeas corpus. D. Certiorari. Ans. C. Match it. A. Habeas corpus. A. Be more fully informed. B. Mandamus. Though, by which authority? C. Prohibition. 3. We command. D. Certiorari. 4. Let us have the body. E. Quo warranto. 5. Writ to subordinate courts ABCDE. A. 2, 4, 5, 3, 1. B. 4, 3, 5, 2, 1. C. 4, 3, 5, 1, 2. D. 4, 5, 3, 1, 2. A. 3, 2, 1, 5, 4. Ans. C. Which of the following is not correctly matched? A. Habeas corpus, to have body of. B. Mandamus, we command. C. Prohibition, to be certified. D. Quo warranto, by what authority? Ans. C. Which one of the following constitutional remedies is also known as post-mortem? A. Prohibition. B. Mandamus. C. Certiorari. D. Quo warranto. A. None of the above, more than one of the above. Ans. C. In which petition, judiciary orders executives to perform their duty? A. Habeas corpus. B. Mandamus. C. Prohibition. D. Quo warranto. Ans. B. When the Supreme Court issues a writ to a person or to an institution to perform its duty, it is called A. Certiorari. B. Mandamus. C. Quo warranto. D. Habeas corpus. Ans. B. Correctly match the following. A. Cultural and educational rights. 1. Articles 14 to 18. B. Right to constitutional remedies. 2. Articles 2-24. C. Right against exploitation. 3. Articles 32. D. Right to equality. 4. Articles 29 to 30. Code ABCD. A. 4. 3, 1, 2. B. 3, 3, 2, 1. C. 3, 4, 1, 2. D. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ans. A. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Fundamental right article. A. Abolition of untouchability Art. 17. B. Protection against arrest and Art. 23. Detention. C. Freedom of religion Art. 25. D. Protection of interest of Art. 29. Minorities. Ans. B. Match list I with list 2 and select the correct answer from the code given below. List I. A. Abolition of titles. 1. Article 29. B. Freedom to manage religious affairs. 2. Article 21A. C. Protection of language of minorities. 3. Article 18. D. Right to education. 4. Article 26. Code ABCD. A. 3, 2, 1, 4. B. 4, 3, 2, 1. C. 2, 3, 4, 1. D. 3, 4, 1, 2. Ans. D. Match list I with list 2 and select the correct answer by using the code given below the list. List I list 2. A. Fundamental duties 1. Minerva Mills case. B. Parliament can amend fundamental rights 2. Article 23 of the Constitution. C. Doctrine of Basic Structure 3. 42nd Amendment of the Constitution. D. Prohibition of trafficking in human beings 4. Keshavanand Bharti case. Code ABCD. A. 3, 4, 1, 2. B 4 3 2 1, C 2 1 4 3, D 1 2 3 4. Ans. A. By which of the following case Parliament got the right to amend fundamental rights? A. Keshwananda Bharti case. B. Rajnarayan vs Indira Gandhi case. C. Golaknath's case. D. Sajjan Singh case. Ans. A. The Supreme Court of India has propounded the doctrine of basic structure of the Constitution in which of the following cases? A. Golaknath vs Punjab State. B. Sajjan Singh vs Rajasthan State. C. Keshwananda Bharti vs Kerala State. D. Shankari Prasad vs Indian Union. Ans. C. Which one of the following cases outlined the basic structure doctrine of the Indian Constitution? A. Gopalan v. S. Madras State. B. Golaknath v. S. Punjab State. C. Keshwananda Bharti v. S. Kerala State. D. None of these. Ans. C. Which of the following statement S's are incorrect? A. Part 2 on fundamental rights of the Constitution is based upon Bill of Rights of the USA. B. Right to die is a fundamental right under Article 21 of the Constitution. C. Indian Constitution is a complete federal constitution. D. Fundamental rights can be removed under the Indian Constitution. Code. A. Only B, C and D. B. Only C and D. C. Only B and C. D. Only B. Ans. A. Select the correct chronological order of the following judgments dealing with fundamental rights. A. Golaknath v. S. State of Punjab. B. Keshwananda Bharti v. S. State of Kerala. C. Manarva Mills v. S. Union of India. D. A. K. Gopalan v. S. State of Madras. Select the correct answer. A, D, B, C, A. B, A, B, C, D. C, D, A, B, C. D, D, C, B, A. Ans. C. What is the position of the right to property in India? A. Legal right available to citizens only. B. Legal right available to any person. C. Fundamental right available to citizens only. D. Neither fundamental right nor legal right. Ans. B. Right of property belongs to which category amongst the following? A. Legal right. B. Fundamental right. C. Natural right. D. Human right. Ans. A.